Ayan, hello, good morning everyone. Blessed Wednesday, December 18. Our reading devotion today is Luke chapter 2, verse 1 hanggang 7, New Living Translation. The word of Jesus, or Jesus is born in Bethlehem. So I just want to read this sa inyo. So, uh, at the time, the Roman Emperor Augustus decreed that a census should be taken throughout the Roman Empire. This was the first census taken when Quirinius was governor of Syria. All returned to their own ancestral town to register for his census, and because Joseph was a descendant of King David, he had to go to Bethlehem in Judea, David's ancient home. He traveled there from the village of Nazareth in Galilee. He took with him Mary, his fiancée, who was now obviously pregnant, and while they were there, the time came for her baby to be born. She gave birth to her first child, a son. She wrapped him snugly in strips of clothes and laid him in a manger because there was no lodging available for them. So isang bagay na yung proseso or yung time ng ating Panginoon ay dinadalang tao ni Mary at hanggang siya ay napanganak. So during that time no ay nagtawag ng census no si Augustus no upang magpatala ang lahat ng mga Roman no. So yung the Roman Empire no. So lahat sila ay nagpatala at dahil isa ito sa ah, mga dapat gawin no, para matala ang lahat at isa sa mga nabasa ko is the purpose is to for tax declaration ganan sa buwis, di ba? So nung time na yun na sila ay papunta doon sa lugar na yun ay doon inabutan si Mary ng panganak no at so nakita natin kung saang lugar, kung anong lugar ang pinanganakan ng ating Panginoong Hesus, no? Hindi sa mga magagarang lugar, no? Siya ay nasa bababang lugar na kung tayo bilang magulang ay hindi natin naisin na doon ipanganak yung ating anak at maghanap tayo ng mga lugar na komportable. But bakit nangyari? Because this is a God's plan pa rin. No? Nasa plano pa rin ng Panginoon, control pa rin ng Panginoon. At so makita natin dito, no, isang bagay na yung pagiging humbleness. No? Kaya, so, nawa ay tayo ay patuloy na magiging humble sa harapan ng ating Panginoon at patuloy nating alalahanin no, na ang Panginoon ay ganun yung kanyang kalagayan nung siya ay pinanganak. So, nawa ay makita natin no, yung tunay na kahulugan ng nangyaring ito sa ating Panginoon at maging sentro pa rin natin ano yung ating celebration ngayon ng Kapaskuhan no na ang pagpapakumbaba pa rin ang ating dapat makita at ialin natin yung buhay natin sa ating Panginoon. Kaya purihin ang ating Diyos na buhay at nawa ay sa konting mensaheng ito ay meron kayong nakuhang no, magandang mensahe at i-apply natin sa ating buhay, that humbleness. Thank you and God bless all. Don't forget, follow, share, and like. And see you next ating devotion. Thank you and God bless all.